So we just walked all the way, and we can still continue going up to that one, but no thank you. We got to a good spot. What do you think, Mr. Cameron?
Oh, come on. Half more mountain.
Half a mountain more?
Yeah.
I don't know, man. What do you think?
I don't know. You're kind of dying.
We're pretty blessed out here, eh?
It's gorgeous.
So, Camp Challenge Alliance Challenge. Show me your spot. I think I got the winner here, Cameron.
Almost definitely.
Welcome to Lake Cowichan in Youbou, B.C. This is what I call paradise and our little slice of heaven. I literally almost died about 100 times walking up this, just to share this with you guys. But there's nothing better than sharing views like this with the people I love. Thanks again for taking me up here, Cam.
Totally. Anytime. We can go again next Sunday.
If I'm recuperated by then, I'm gonna be a bag of ass for the next few days after that climb, that's for sure. Oh look, there's paddle boarders down there.
You can see the old go-kart track
Oh.
here too.
That's the old mill site right here. And there's good fishing in this little cove right here.
Watch out for bears and cougars though.
Tons of bears and cougars out here right now. So actually I tried to take a video of a bear at Daly's.
Really?
And my opposable thumbs pushed stop on the time I was supposed to be watching the bear. So I didn't catch it on film, but I did catch this, and I'm sharing it with all y'all. I wish we could have service so I can do a live from, what's this mountain called again?
I don't know.
Cameron Rock? Or
Christopher Rock.
Christopher Rock.
But I know it's not what the mountain's called.
This is Christopher Rock where we're at. It goes a whole bunch more further that way, and then the lake goes around that area too. So this lake is 27 kilometers long in total. Goes to Nitnat and Lake Cowichan that way. But yeah, stay safe, stay blessed, and tell those that are close that you love them, because tomorrow is never promised. So live today, my friends. Live today. See you on the next one.